It's that time of year once again to put away those heavier, darker fragrances you've been wearing in the winter and bring in some light, fresh, crisp scents to wear throughout the spring. Some great citrusy, clean colognes. And with that in mind, I'm going to share with you 10 of my favorites for this year. On today's video, I'm going to share with you a few holdovers and several new entries that I believe may pique your interest. And of course, I'm going to leave a link in the description to all the colognes we talk about on today's video if you want to pick up one or two for yourself. Now, if you're new here, welcome. Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern. I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Tony Hall, salute. Now, first up on the list of the best spring colognes for 2023 is a great 2020 release, relatively new, but definitely new to my spring rotation. It's aromatic, woody, fresh, and spicy. I highly recommend you check out Dolce & Gabbana's K. Dolce & Gabbana's K is earthy, it's warm, it's fresh, it's crisp, it's sensual. And it arrives at this great scent with a combination of top notes of blood orange, juniper, and lemon, mid notes of fig nectar, lavender, and clary sage, and base notes of cedar, patchouli, and vetiver, all combined to give you this very balanced, warm, yet spicy, fresh, crisp spring scent. In my opinion, Dolce & Gabbana's K is a great all-day, year-round scent, but it works especially well during the spring months. Combination of the citrus, the floral, the woodiness, the crispness gives it a great balance. It's classy, refined, and masculine, and I think this is a great candidate for a spring signature scent. I highly recommend you check out for this spring, Dolce & Gabbana's K. Now, next up on the list of the best spring colognes for this year, we have an excellent 2019 release. One that's aromatic, fresh, spicy, and earthy. I highly recommend you check out Prada L'Homme Water Splash. Now, just like the name implies, Prada L'Homme Water Splash is a great aquatic aromatic scent. It's fresh, it's smooth, it's subtle. And it arrives in this fantastic scent with a combination of top notes of neroli, mandarin leaves, and cardamom, mid notes of iris and ginger, and base notes of cedarwood, amber, and sandalwood, all combined to give you this refreshing, invigorating, great spring fragrance. Now, Prada L'Homme's Water Splash is an excellent choice for my guys out there that like nice, clean spring scents, but want one that's woodsy and masculine enough to take them throughout the spring and summer nights. It's a nice, fresh, clean scent, but with enough warmth to balance it out. If you're looking for a great, clean, aquatic scent, look no further than Prada L'Homme Water Splash. Now, next up on the list, we have what I believe is an underrated 2007 release. It's a great amber, earthy green, spicy scent. Now hold on, this one is a mouthful. I highly recommend you check out Issey Miyake's L'Eau d'Ace Pour Homme Intense. Really love this standout citrusy scent. It's citrusy, crisp, warm, and green. And it arrives at this great scent with a combination of top notes of yuzu, lemon, and orange, notes of lotus, saffron, nutmeg, along with cinnamon, concluding with some base notes of incense, papyrus, and amber. All combined to give you a great balanced scent. Warm yet crisp, powerful but not overpowering. Pour Homme Intense from Issey Miyake is sweet, clean, smooth, and warm. And with the amber and incense, I think it's an excellent choice for spring date night. This great combination of warmth and citrus allows you to wear it throughout the whole spring. I highly recommend you check out Issey Miyake's L'Eau d'Ace Pour Homme Intense. Now, next up on the list, we have a fantastic 1998 release. One that I believe, in my humble opinion, is a modern day classic. It's aromatic, it's fresh, it's spicy, it's elegant. I highly recommend you check out Declaration Cartier for Men. Declaration Cartier for Men is aromatic, it's fresh, it's spicy, it's clean, it's smooth. Definitely for the refined gentleman during the spring months. And it arrives at this great scent with a combination of top notes of bitter orange, birch, and bergamot, mid notes of iris, pepper, and ginger, and base notes of vetiver, leather, and oak moss, all combined to give you this smooth yet crisp, fresh yet sexy scent. In my opinion, Declaration Cartier is luxurious, it's sophisticated. It's an attention getter, but in a very smooth, subtle way. Very masculine, to me, a modern masterpiece. If you're looking for a luxurious, sophisticated spring scent you can wear this spring or any spring, I highly recommend you check out Declaration Cartier for Men. Now, next up on the list is a 2011 release that stays in my rotation, and I believe it's another excellent choice for my refined spring gentleman. I highly recommend you check out Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino. With Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino, what you have is a nice, fresh, citrusy, crisp, elegant scent. A no-brainer pick for the stylish gentleman. And it arrives at this great scent with a combination of top notes of bitter orange, mandarin orange, lemon and bergamot, mid notes of neroli, jasmine, and orange flower, and base notes of amber and ambrette, all combined to give you this smooth, luxurious, crisp, citrusy, yet floral scent. Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino gives you this nice, breezy Mediterranean feel. It's elevated, crisp, clean, easy to wear, warm but fresh, crisp but smooth. If you're looking for a great aromatic, suave, classy scent this spring or any spring, look no further than Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino. Now next up on the list, we have an excellent 2017 release, a marine, aquatic, fresh, crisp, woody scent. One of my favorite suggestions for this spring, Maison Martin Margiela's replica, Sailing Day. Now the feeling you get from Sailing Day is summed up in the name. It makes you feel like you're out on the ocean, feeling that nice ocean breeze and the warmth of the sun on your face. And it arrives at this great scent with a combination of top notes of aldehyde, C notes, and red pepper, mid notes of juniper, iris, and rose, and base notes of seaweed, cedar, and amberwood, all combined to give you this excellent marine, fresh, aquatic, aromatic cologne. Replica Sailing Day is simple in a good way. Smooth, clean, and fresh. An excellent choice for the man who likes to make a quiet statement. Fresh, clean, subtle, yet masculine. I highly recommend you check out Maison Martin Margiela Replica Sailing Day. Now next up, we have an excellent choice that I've been wearing a lot since its release in 2018. It's earthy, it's woody, it's aromatic, it's fruity. I highly recommend you check out YSL Eau de Parfum. YSL's Y is youthful, it's modern, it's masculine, it's crisp, it's green. And it arrives at this great scent with a combination of top notes of apple, ginger, and bergamot, mid notes of sage, juniper berries, and geranium, and base notes of amberwood, tonka bean, and cedar, all combined to give you this masculine, deep, fresh, sweet scent. Now YSL Y is one of my favorite spring date night scents. This is not a wallflower spring fragrance. It's long-lasting, strong, and sexy. Masculine, smooth, clean, yet crisp, and it's also a compliment monster. So if you're looking for a great earthy, woody, aromatic, fruity scent, look no further than YSL Y Eau de Parfum. Now next up on the list, we have a great 2012 release, one that's aromatic, woody, smooth, and with a great vanilla feel. I highly recommend you check out Chanel Allure Homme Sport O Extreme. Now, O Extreme from Chanel is spicy, it's smooth, it's elegant, it's sexy. I can't rave enough about this choice from Chanel. I think it's a soon-to-be classic. And it arrives at this fantastic scent with a combination of top notes of mint, cypress, mandarin orange, and sage. It has a mid note of pepper and base notes of tonka bean, sandalwood, and cedar, all combined to give you this refined, smooth, familiar, but yet unique smell all at the same time. Chanel Allure Eau Extreme is woody, is soapy, is complex. For the guy who wants a fresh out of the shower spring feel, but still want to remain sexy and mature. If you're looking for the grown man's clean yet sexy scent, look no further than Chanel Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. Now next up on the list of the best spring colognes for 2023 is one that's been on my spring list every year since I started this channel, and I'm here to tell you, it probably always will. It's tropical, it's fruity, and just like the name suggests, it's fresh. I suggest you check out Versace Man Eau Fresh. Like I said, Versace Man's Eau Fresh is clean, it's tropical, it's fruity, but the operative word is fresh. Sharp, it's crisp, it's smooth. And it arrives at this great scent with a combination of top notes of lemon, bergamot, starfruit, and rosewood, mid notes of cedar, sage, and pepper, and base notes of saffron, musk, and amber, all combined to give this smooth, crisp, fresh, and yes, I said fresh again, clean scent. Versace Eau Man Fresh is clean, it's elegant, reserved, but masculine. If you're looking for the ultimate no-brainer blind buy spring fragrance, look no further than Versace Man's Eau Fresh. Now next up on the list of the best spring colognes for 2023 is a fantastic 2021 release. One that's fresh, fruity, aromatic, herbal, yet musky. I highly recommend you check out Prada Luna Rose Ocean. Prada Luna Rose's Ocean is powerful, it's sophisticated, and as the name suggests, it puts you in the mood of a nice ocean breeze. Versatile, crisp, and aquatic. And it arrives at this fantastic scent with a combination of top notes of bergamot, pink pepper, and artesia, mid notes of lavender, iris, sage, and suede, and base notes of cedar, musk, patchouli, and vetiver, all combine to give you this breezy, fresh, crisp, masculine fragrance. I find Prada Luna Rose Ocean to be very distinctive, but yet very easy to wear. It's a clean, fresh scent that still manages to lean very sexy. So if you're looking for a spring fragrance choice that's smooth, sophisticated, fresh, but a little bit warm at the same time, I highly recommend you check out Prada Luna Rosa Ocean.